Okay guys, so I got so many requests to do this video, so I have the time now. The baby's sleeping, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do this video for you guys. I'm gonna be showing you how I use the lip gloss filling machine. My desk is clean. I always spray my desk down with 100% alcohol. But just to show you guys that I always disinfect the machine before I use it, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe the machine down. So disinfecting your machine is one of the most important steps on making lip gloss, because you wanna make sure everything is clean and there's no leftover gloss from the last gloss that you did. This machine I freshly cleansed because I used it before and then I was waiting for another shipment of lip gloss, which I got today. So it's already clean, but I'm just gonna go ahead and disinfect it for you guys. Some of it got on the dust, but that's fine because the dust could always be cleaner in case any lip gloss drops out of the machine here. I always have a piece of Bounty here. So this is how my gloss looks, and this is the consistency. I feel like it's perfect. It's not too runny and it's not too thick. TKB lied when they said that this stuff makes that this bag makes 1,000 tubes. I don't think it does, because it makes way less than that. So this is how the gloss looks. Okay guys, so before I get into the video, just keep in mind that for this video and for my store, I use a 15 milliliter tube. A lot of people don't use such big tubes, but if you do, then you will need to stuff your corners. But if you're not using a 15 millimeter and you're using a 5 millimeter or a 10 millimeter, then you'll be fine. You won't have to stuff your corners because you could just fill it up super duper fast. And I'm going to pour the gloss in the machine. So this nozzle does not go all the way to the bottom of the lip gloss tube, and that's a problem. You don't want your corners to be missing. So what I like to do is I fill it like halfway. So I fill the gloss like halfway, and then I take one of these pipettes and I basically go like this, making sure that I'm pushing the gloss in the corners, because I don't like empty corners. So I'm just making sure that I'm pushing the gloss all the way down. I'm gonna show you guys a close-up on the next tube that I fill. So after I've done that, everything is packed, the corners are packed. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and place it back in there. And I'm just going to go ahead and pull the nozzle down, and the gloss is basically gonna fill up, and you just pull the gloss down as you go. And I'm not cheap with my gloss. I like to fill it to the top. So that's how that's done. So as you guys can see, the corners are missing. There's no gloss here and there's no gloss there. So I take the pipette and I push the gloss into the corners. I don't like naked corners. So I just push it in there, making sure that it fills up each corner. And then I just rotate it and make sure that there's no bubbles in the corner and that it's actually filled to the top. And then I just go ahead and continue to fill the gloss. Once you do it a few times, you'll get like your own rhythm to it, and it becomes so much more easier. And then you just place it on there, fill it up halfway, get it into the corners, make sure you check both sides, and then you put it back in there and you fill it back up. And you just keep repeating that until you're done filling all of your glosses. And I swear this saves so much time. So I would definitely say invest in this machine, because it saves you so much time. I swear, I used to be here forever filling lip gloss using a syringe, which doesn't make sense. We want our life to be easier. So yeah, definitely recommend this machine. Again, I got it from eBay. I'll put the link in the description if you guys are interested in purchasing. That's it for today's video. Super simple. I just wanted to show you guys how to use the machine. Hope you guys have a blessed day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.